Now, despite the big storms coming in, that won't end our drought crisis, as you know. So it's still imperative to conserve water, and the biggest place you can do it is in your garden. So Bobby D joins us right now with some practical tips. It's funny timing because the rain is coming right now, Bobby.
The rain is coming. We've got 2 storms potentially coming, but you know, even if we get 2 inches of rain, we're still at 30% of normal in LA. So still in a mega drought situation, or potentially a mega drought situation. So I went back to school here. We are at Mount San Antonio College. And we are learning about how to save money, how to save water. They have really been the pioneers in water conservation, and we're taking a look at a project that is going to be done by the students here. By the way, it's the first day of class here at the school. I'm going to bring in Bill Millward here, who is with Netafim, who also is with a company that has been at the forefront of irrigation systems. So this, first of all, is not a very good example of what you should be doing, right? Traditionally, lots of folks have this in their homes. They've got these traditional sprinklers.
That's correct, Bob. You look at this irrigation system and you can see a lot of water wasted. And what we want to attempt to do is save water in our urban settings.
So we're talking about at home when 40% of the water usage comes from landscaping.
Exactly. We can save a good percentage of that 40% of our outdoor landscape watering by converting over to drip irrigation.
Okay, we're going to show exactly what we're talking about. We turn over here, Tommy. Now, you and one of the directors here at Mount SAC just did this last night. Took you guys about a half hour.
About a half hour to retrofit this existing spray system over to a drip system.
What's interesting about this is because we went up to the Central Valley yesterday. I was down in Temecula talking about irrigation systems, but these are big irrigation systems and now using those applications for home use.
Exactly. Taking what we know and what works in the agricultural setting and applying it to our home irrigation system.
Why does this work better?
Because we're applying the water. Well, first off, at Netafim, we perfected how to create more with less, and I mean less water. We save about 50% of the water.
50% of the water. Okay, so a little bit of an investment here, not that expensive really to put in, but in the end you save about 50% of the water. Okay, so coming up we're going to show you some other things that you can do. You don't have to rip out your whole lawn. You could actually install another drip system. We'll show you that coming up in just a bit.